Now, these are the real things you must do if you really want to be successful in life. Now, see, I'm not just a motivational speaker. I'm not trying to encourage you. I'm trying to state the fact. These are the things you must do if you want to be successful. Now, remember, I'm not just talking to only fashion designers. Yes, I'm a fashion designer. I'm a fashion instructor. I teach people, but this is for everybody. So if you're watching this video right now, make sure you listen very attentively. Now, the first thing you must do if you want to be successful in life, not just as a designer, is you need to get a skill. It doesn't matter the skill. Just look for a skill that you're so passionate with, like a skill that, will be, see, when you love something, when you're passionate about anything, it's easy for you to get a skill in that particular field. Do you understand? Get a skill. I'm not going to be talking much because I'm going to be creating a longer video, a longer version of this. So if you really want me to create a longer version of this, just write longer version in the comment section. Like I said, get a skill. When you get a skill, you understand how powerful it is. Like whatever you desire, you actually get. I'm telling you this because, I'm seeing the love of like I'm benefiting from my own skill as a fashion instructor, as a fashion designer. I'm benefiting today. You guys you can attest to it. Go to my pages, you see how successful I am. Do you understand? So number 2 you must do is, after getting this skill, you need to grow yourself, you need to, learn and unlearn and do a lot of things. Now, you must get a product. Create a product out of this particular skill we are talking about. Now, let's say I'm a fashion designer. I learned how to sew and do a lot of things. But at the end of the day, I don't just sew. I'm a teacher. I'm teaching you right now. I'm talking like right now. Do you understand? And I'm an author of a book, The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide, for most of you that don't know. Do you understand? This book actually teaches you how to, like draft clothes, how to sew clothes, and it teaches you these things in detail, like step by step. I have one of the best pattern books in the whole world. I'm not capping. If you want to check it out, go to Amazon and search for The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. You see, I'm one of the best sellers. Do you understand? So I'm not just capping. Whatever I'm telling you right now is something that I'm doing right now. Do you understand? Get a product now. I have my videos on YouTube. I have my courses, my videos that I actually created on Telegram. Before you enter into my Telegram group, normally without even getting my book, you must pay at least from 50,000 and above, because the videos that are there are very, very detailed. But there's something I actually do. Those that actually get my book, within a few hours, like let's say example, as I'm talking this night, in 48 hours, if you get my book, you get all these videos free in Telegram. So now let's not digress much. So all these things I've listed right now, they are products. I've created a product out of just ordinary sewing. Do you understand? I didn't just go out there to start looking for who will come and sew with me, somebody who will come and give me clothes. Maybe when there are no customers, I'll start crying. No, I created a product out of this. My videos online are products. They generate money day by day. Do you understand? And my book generates money. These are products. People send, in fact, I receive alert every seconds. Let me not just say every seconds. It will be like as if I'm, overhyping it. It's not every seconds. I mean, in a day, I receive like a lot of alerts that I have received money from people that bought my book. That's actually what I mean. So create a product. It doesn't matter if it is fashion design. I'm using this as an example because I'm a fashion designer. Do you understand? If you are making hair, you can actually write a book in making hair. You can actually start teaching people online how to make hair. You will start generating money. You can actually make videos and sell your videos. Do you understand? These are products. You can also start selling hairs. Do you understand? You're making hair, put in your shop, start selling hairs. If you're a fashion designer, start selling sewing materials and other things. These are physical products. I'm mostly based on digital products that you can't actually touch with your hand. Do you understand? But my book also sells as a physical copy. Do you understand? Go to Amazon, you can actually buy my book physically. Do you understand? They will send it. Even if you're in abroad, they will send it. So this is the second thing. You must get a product. Then the final thing that I must advise you to do is, when you get this product, learn how to advertise it to people. Learn how to advertise it to people. Now, I'm not just saying advertising it by telling people, I do this, come and patronize me. You can actually do that. That's also advertisement. But what I'm trying to say is, learn how to talk to millions and billions of people about your product. A lot of you don't know the magic behind this. See, let's say after this video now, and I now go and advertise it on Facebook. Now, Facebook does not just put out my video to 10 people. Unlike your normal profile, your normal pages, you might not even have enough people viewing you. Do you understand? No matter how talented you are, you will now see that not a lot of people are going to see you. Learn how to use money to chase money. What I mean, like learn how to learn Facebook advertisement, Instagram advertisement, YouTube advertisement, Google advertisement. Get this skill. You actually need it. Now, let me give you an example. Are you trying to tell me that if your product comes to people's screen, I mean, let's say goes to like 100 people's screen, are you trying to tell me that 1, 2, 3, or 4 or 5 out of those people won't purchase your product? They will. It doesn't even matter whether your product is good or not good, but you have more sales, more conversion if your product is worth it. Do you understand? But I'm saying that whether your product is worth it or is not worth it, if 100 people sees it, there's no way you're not going to make 5 conversions. Now, let me tell you something. I'm talking about 100 people, and you think that they are much. It is not much. See, when it comes to Facebook advertisement, it doesn't take time before thousands of people see your product. Do you understand? As you can see, hit done, they do me now. So these are the 3 major things you must do if you really want to, make it in life. See, I'm not just saying this. Whatever I'm saying now is divine. I just woke up and just feel like you need to send this message because that is my success story. So I need to let you guys understand how this thing works. Then the final thing you must do, I've already said it. If you also want to be successful, this one is like a bonus. If you're a fashion designer, yes, this one is specific for fashion designers. Make sure you get my book, The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. For those of you that don't know my book, say it, red cover. Do you understand? Above here, yes. This book teaches you step by step. Or not. See, it doesn't matter the level you are, even if you're an advanced tailor, even if you're an intermediate or a beginner. But most especially, if you're somebody who wants to understand the basics, beginners or intermediate, the basics of fashion designing, if you don't know how to measure very, very well, this book is for you. And a lot of things, if you want to do ready to wear, you want to know the basics, this book is for you. All you have to do is to, if you're watching on TikTok, click on the first link on my bio. It will take you to a website where you get it. When you are done, remember I said about my videos, my premium videos, I'll give it to you free of charge. Make sure you do this within 48 hours after seeing this video. Then you have access to the videos. If you don't do it within this time frame, you're not going to have access to the videos. Yes, because it is worth a lot. Then if you're on YouTube seeing this, make sure you click on the image you are seeing. You will see the image somewhere else, the book on the red cover. Click on it. Do you understand? It will take you to a website where you make the purchase. Also, make sure you DM me. I'll add you to this Telegram group. Thanks and may God bless you. I love you all. Remember, I'm still your one and only Ceefashion Academy. My name is Wonka Chukwebuka Chigoze. I author The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. Bye for now. I love you.